In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue an estimate or quote in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple process of creating a professional quote seamlessly. We'll start by navigating to the Quotes module. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books organization. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar where you'll find the Sales option. Click on it and then select Quotes from the drop-down menu. For those who love a good shortcut, you can also press C and E on your keyboard to hop directly to the Quotes page. Now that you're on the Quotes page, let's move on to creating a new quote. In the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click on it to begin drafting your quote. This is where you can start to tailor the quote according to your specific requirements. Next, we need to fill in the quote details. Begin with the customer name. You have the option to select from your existing customers, or if it's a new client, you can add them to your database. Following this, a unique quote number will be auto-generated for easy tracking and reference. In the Reference/ section, you can add any additional reference numbers that may be pertinent to the transaction. Then it's time to input the quote date and the expiry date. Make sure these are accurate as they define the validity period of your estimate. After setting the dates, you'll need to add the items or services that you're quoting. Input the product details, including quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes. It's important to be as detailed as possible here for accuracy and transparency. Besides the core information, there are other details you might need to fill in, such as shipping charges or project names. These fields help in personalizing the quote to fit the specific requirements of your transaction. Additionally, if there's a need to document an advance payment, you can simply check the box labeled Create a retainer invoice for this estimate automatically. With everything filled out, you'll have a couple of options on how to proceed. If you wish to review the quote later, you can click Save as Draft. This will allow you to revisit and make changes before sending it out. However, if you're ready to send the quote to your customer, choose Save and Send. This option saves your work and sends the quote out via email immediately, ensuring a swift transaction process. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can issue an estimate in Zoho Books with ease. Whether you save it as a draft or send it right away, creating a detailed and accurate quote has never been simpler. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.